Hello and welcome back to Some Natural Thinkers Learning. So this week we're going to be learning about rosemary. Now I have two rosemary plants here. So they're saying hello to you. Have a good look at the colour, and they're both looking pretty healthy. I was about to say pretty helpful, but actually rosemary is pretty helpful. So that's part of your challenge. Now, last week we had a look at parsley, and some of you contributed some ideas on how to use parsley in cooking. Now, rosemary can also be used in cooking, so I'd love to hear some of your ideas about how it can be used. You know, some of the foods rosemary can be used with, but actually rosemary can be used not just for cooking but for some other purposes as well. So see if you can find out what those other purposes could be. It'd be lovely to hear from you about those. And also maybe you could describe the smell. Maybe you've got some rosemary at home or you remember smelling it before. It's got a really lovely strong smell, not too strong, but it's really nice smell. I like the smell of rosemary. And do add that in the comments, and I'll add it to our recipe book that we're making, or maybe it'll have to be a recipe and useful purposes book, because you can use rosemary for other things. So let's see how many different things we can use rosemary for. That would be really interesting. And of course, a little reminder for those of you who didn't comment last week, what are the best ways to be looking after plants? What do they need in order to grow nice and healthy like these rosemary plants? Okay, my little natural thinkers, that's all for now. I look forward to hearing from you, and bye from the rosemary plants. Bye.